Alexa, let's chat.
Welcome to the Alexa Prize, a university competition to advance AI. I'll get you one of the social bots now. When you're done, say stop. Hi, this is an Alexa Prize social bot. I'm glad to meet you. Do you want to tell me your name?
Rod.
Whoopsie daisy. I think you said Rod. Can you say that one more time?
Rod.
Hi, Rod. How are you doing today?
I'm good, and you?
Nice. I'm glad you're having a good day. So, tell me more about yourself. Do you like movies?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyways, I love to discover new movies. I recently watched Crazy Rich Asians because someone told me it was hilarious. What movie would you recommend to me?
Coming to America?
Yes, I've heard of Coming to America. I'm wondering, if you had to rate this movie from 1 to 10, what would it be?
11.
Interesting. Now I kind of want to rewatch the movie. Here is something I just learned. Cuba Gooding Jr. shot a scene in which his character boy getting haircut tells Clarence that he does not have money to pay for his haircut. Clarence responds by cutting a patch out of the boy's hair. But to Gooding's disappointment, the scene was deleted. What do you think?
Oh, 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 well, really?